as the markets opened, today in China, Tuesday in China. I think there was, obviously ended positively on A shares, and then Hong Kong pulled back a little bit, or pulled back a lot, but I think that's natural, and, it actually creates buying opportunities for investors.
And why do you think the Hong Kong's Hang Seng pulled back?
Yeah, first of all, it's gone up, dramatically in the last 2 to 3 weeks. So, a pullback is healthy, I think. It also, I'm sure there's investors out there that feel that they've missed the opportunity potentially, or wish they had a better entry point. So pullbacks, always offer that. But I think it was just a pullback, some profit taking, but it's healthy. We really believe that after the Chinese government made some very significant announcements on September 24th, that this is sustainable and very serious. So we see the China markets continue to rise.
And what is interesting, Jonathan, on Tuesday, small companies outshone large ones. The biggest gainers were tech hardware makers, healthcare companies, and builders. Do you think international investors will focus on those sectors in China?
Yeah, I think all sectors are going to be a focus. The top 50 companies in China are the big names, and that's in the MSCI A50, and they get a lot of the flow. But once you get into healthcare and green infrastructure and all the green technology, and then China's all about the consumer, and that's really what just the government's been focused on. Is you had this incredible, significant money on the sidelines. Savings doubled in China during COVID, and the government's been focused on unlocking that money and getting it back into the economy, getting it back into the markets. And I think they did a very good job on September 24th, sending the right signals. And we anticipate they'll continue to be making policy announcements.
And what further measures are global investors eager to see?
Yeah, I think it's going to be on the physical spending. So that's green infrastructure, the solar energy, health tech, anything to help the consumer. They're on September 24th, just the announcements around real estate, where they're going to guarantee that all the unfinished apartments, houses will be built, and they lower mortgage rates, lowered the down payment amount. Just that. You have, I think they're counted about 150 billion of less mortgage interest. Okay, and that immediately becomes disposable income. So there's real significant and targeted results that can come from these announcements.